Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics ready: a compatible Android version, enough storage, and Wi-Fi. First, free about 100 MB if needed and plug the device in so the update won't die mid-install. Once done, open the Play Store and search for YouTube. This is faster than navigating menus. Make sure you're signed into the Google account tied to the Play Store. Tap the YouTube entry to reveal the app page, where you'll find the update button if an update exists. Tap Update and let the Play Store handle download and install. It runs in the background so you can continue other tasks. If you don't see Update, tap the three dots in the app page and enable Auto Update to get the latest version automatically in future. Make sure the download completes, check notifications for progress and any error messages. If the update pauses, pause non-essential apps using bandwidth. Once installation finishes, the Play Store will show Open. Open YouTube and go to Settings About to confirm the updated version and check that new features or fixes are present. If the update fails, first clear Play Store cache and storage in Settings Apps, then retry. Often that resolves download issues. If problems persist, reboot the phone and try again. As a last resort, uninstall updates for the YouTube app from App Info, then return to Play Store and install the update fresh. This fixes corrupted installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.